Hello and welcome to Robotics and Games Club. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the first building level. So at the bottom of quizzes, click on, actually the first practice. So click on building, and the first practice is order the parts from the robot store. So to do that you need to click on the robot store from the menu at the top. Find the part and click on the plus symbol so the quantity in the center is the same as the quantity you need to order. Then scroll to the bottom and click checkout. So let's begin. So we start by clicking on practice. That takes us to this practice screen. So we need to find push button 4 and we need a quantity of 1. So we'll go to click on the robot store. And these are all sorted by, so here we have actuators, sensors, display, keyboard. Keyboard's got a lot of keys because every single key is a different item. And then miscellaneous down here on the bottom. So we had to order push button 4. So here's push button 4. Click on the plus symbol. If I click it twice, the number switches to 2. If that's the case, then I got to switch back down to 1 so that I have 1 of these ordered. And then scroll all the way down to the bottom and click checkout. So this question 2 of 2 is I need push button 3. Then I need 1 of those. So again, I go up to robot store and then scroll down to where my keyboard keys are, and I need push button 3. I need 1 of those. Again, scroll down to the bottom and click checkout. Okay, so here it says practice 1 passed. So I passed it. They asked for push button 4. I needed to have 1 of those. I ordered 1 and it took 53 seconds. Then I needed push button 3. Sorry. They needed 1. I ordered 1 and it took 23 seconds. My total time is 76 seconds, which is less than the 90 seconds required for passing this level. And I also ordered the 2 parts, or I needed 2 parts, and I ordered those 2 parts. So there I've passed. Now you can click on Home and go back to Building, and you can see the practice 1 is now passed. And that's it for this lesson.